Okay, let's have a look at the new Zone 22 from Allen Heath. This is a 2-channel mixer, channel 1 on the left, channel 2 on the right, and down the centre our master section. Now each channel comprises of a level or gain control, a phono line select, a 3-band total kill EQ, channel fader, and a filter FX loop select, which routes the audio from a selected channel to an external FX unit. So to cue a channel, make sure the cue is in its upright position, bring up your level, and bring up a fader. Now this mixer's got an adjustable crossfade curve which can be adjusted between centre cut and steep. As mentioned, total kill 3-band EQ, which cuts from total kill to plus 6 dBs. In the centre our filter section, which has a resonance select between mild and wild, a low pass filter, high pass filter select, and a frequency sweep. So with the filter selected on 20 Hz and high pass filter, we can sweep through our audio without losing any. And similarly, all the way back. Another feature of the Zone 22 is the bar meter mode. At the moment we're seeing the Q meter, and by pressing the Q master switch we can now see the master output level. The meters also work in 2 different modes. At the moment we see bar mode, and by pressing the meter mode switch we can see a dot mode. Another feature of the Zone 22 is the FX loop. FX loop selected here. Engage the FX loop at the top of the mixer, and for this purpose I've got a KP2. So there we have the basic controls of the Zone 22. So on the front of the Zone 22 we have our main 1/4 inch headphone jack, XLR microphone input with high and low EQ level control. So let's have a look at the rear of the Zone 22. Channel 2 line phono input, Channel 1 line phono input, and in the centre the send and return system. 3.5mm headphone jack, DC power in, balanced outputs for connecting to a rig, monitor outputs and record outputs.